Alright guys, as you may have known, I am not working today, like I said in the last video. Maybe I didn't tell you guys, I don't remember. But anyways, I'm not working today. I went by and got my tools because I left them at the job site. And so I'm just going to do what's in my, basically what's in my tool bag, or what's in my tool belt video. Because I haven't done that in a really long time. Maybe I'll do this once a month, I don't know, or something like that. But these are pretty messy, probably need to be vacuumed out or whatnot. They're kind of dirty. Been thrown around the last few days, but and maybe I also kind of want to do like a prices of like what's the prices of daily hand tools and stuff like that. So maybe I'll do that as well if I want to edit this video up and stuff. So anyways, these are my hand tools that I've been using for the most part for the last several months, except for when I was outside. So for when I've been working inside, these are the tools I've been using recently. Just your typical Phillips. Most of my tools are Klein and stuff like that. Then I got the little flat blade. And then I got these strippers that my company bought me because my old ones went bad or got dull. And I usually have the curved handle, but they got these straight handle, and I'm sure they'd give me them if I asked, but whatever, these have been working fine, and I've kind of gotten used to them. And then I do have my my old dikes. I also usually carry around the new pair and put the old ones in here. So I usually have the glow-in-the-dark pair right there just because they're new for cutting. And then I have the Knipex channel locks. And then I was doing some sheetrock remodel and stuff, so I also have the Klein jab saw, sheetrock saw. And then this is always hard to get out, but this is the pipe reamer. This is really retarded. I really can't get this out right now. So here's my pipe reamer right here for 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. So I usually just stick that in the back when I'm using it with pipe. If not, then I just take it out. These are kind of my extras back here. Then I have the jab saw right here. And I have the level right here. This is like one of the only Greenlee things I have, but they also make like a Checkpoint brand, but I probably would have gotten one of those, but I thought they were discontinued or whatever, but these work great. I love these, torpedo level. And then just like a standard razor blade. You can get whatever kind fits your fancy. And then my tape measure, Milwaukee. My last one just died because it started to break in half, but actually a chunk of it came out, but these are pretty great. They last pretty long. I got these last like Christmas, so the last one I had, it was a 2-pack, and the last one I had basically lasted me like a year and a month or something like that. So pretty good stuff for, I think it was like 2 for $25 or something like that, but just depends on the store and the time you buy it. And then over here I don't really have much. So like I said, over here are my tools, and then I usually keep wire nuts in there, and then just kind of whatever I'm using over here. These are kind of some MC straps, and I also have some stuff at the bottom. I just got like, I usually don't carry this around, I just haven't put it back yet in my tool bag. And then also usually don't carry this around, just like some knockout cutters, ultra cutters. And then I have been carrying this around, which I really don't use that much, but just a little stubby in case I need to get into any tight places to access. And over here, basically I just took everything out. These fell out, but usually I just keep screws and miscellaneous parts over here, just little odds and ends. Usually just ground screws here, and then over here is just kind of pile of everything, just screws, bolts, straps, just anything. So that gets really heavy. And I actually left all that stuff at the other job site, but whatever. I can just regrow that, and then usually just keep like zip ties and ground pigtails over here. And then basically the only tools I really have over here is just my beater screwdriver, which the tip of it broke off, so I had to kind of re-grind that down. So I can't really use it as a screwdriver anymore, just for beating on stuff. And I usually just keep my tape around there or in here, and I usually throw my phone in here with my headphones. I think my headphones are actually in there, as you can see. And then I usually just keep my Sharpie right here on the left, or on the right next to that. And then I usually keep my hammer not usually keep my hammer in here just so it doesn't jiggle around and make noise, because it really bothers me. But right now it's just sitting on the tool belt handle. And then usually in here I just have whatever I'm working on, either MC MC connectors, straps, or whatnot, little screws, odds and ends and stuff. So just kind of depends on what I'm working on at the moment, and then like a water bottle and stuff like that. But that's kind of what my tool bags look like right now. And I really do like this style, but it kind of sucks because you don't have much stuff to, you don't have much room to put stuff in here in the pockets, and it's kind of hard to reach sometimes. If you got tools in here, kind of hard to get your hand in here and grab stuff. So that's my only complaint about these tool bags, and I don't even know what really brand they are. But it's a CLC right here, and there is a link online, but I probably won't give that to you because maybe I'll throw that in the description if I remember. But otherwise, these tool bags are really great. But I have seen some people with some better tool bags that kind of have pockets like this on both sides, or just wider, that you can really get your hand into, like in here. Kind of hard to grab stuff out of here. So some of the other tool bags I've seen, they're just kind of wider, and they're just a lot easier to get your hand in and store stuff in. So other than that, these have been great, and these were given to me from an old company that I used to work at. So free is a good price, and I can't really complain. And I did cut this out because basically when I was drilling before, got a bunch of wood chips in here, and you can't really get wood chips out of there. Like, as you can see, there's like wood chips stuck in there, so I basically just cut it and tore them out because they were kind of like scratching my stomach and stuff like that. But other than that, they've been great. So anyways, that is about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. What's in my tool bags video for January 2020. Thanks, guys, for watching. And if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. New videos every day of the week, unless I forget. And anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you back here tomorrow, and see what I'm doing tomorrow, because I don't know what jobs that I'm going to yet. But they'll be contacting me shortly, the guys. Alright, so like I was saying, he just called me. And anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content. And don't forget to check out the description for more information for social medias to follow me along if you want to do that. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams, because that stuff is fun. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Peace out.